and welcome to Healthy Kitchen 101. My name is Anh Ngo, and today I'm going to unbox this Omega Juicer model NC900. Okay, so this is a horizontal nutrition system with slow speed at 80 RPM. It has 5 adjustable squeeze settings, maximum juice extraction. It comes with a 15 years warranty, and let's see. Well, apparently it can do a lot of things, from juicing fruits and vegetables to making soy milk and noodles. Okay, I'm gonna open it right now and see what's in the box. This is the instruction manual, available in English, French, and Spanish, with recipes. Okay. So many boxes. So apparently this is the brush, cleaning brush, and pusher, an end cap, the drum with the end cap, juice screen, a big auger, and the hopper or food tray. Another box. This is a cone, probably for making noodles. And here is this must be the juice container. Yes, it is with measurements. Okay, so many parts. These are the nozzles for making pasta, I guess. Okay, and this must be pulp container. Yes, it is. Oh, this is very heavy. So, this is the main housing, where the motor is. Where is the, oh, so the switch is here. Yeah, I think that's everything. time to put the parts together. Okay, get the auger into the drum, and then now we don't need this. Juice green comes next, and the end cap. Okay. Stable, very tight, and yeah. Okay, I'm gonna look for the adjustable end cap. These are for noodles and bread. I'm not gonna need them. Oops. Okay, I think we're good. So now I'm going to run a test run with apples, celery, and some carrots, and see how it works. So the switch only has two options, on and reverse. I'm gonna turn it on. Adjust the end cap to maybe 3 for these hard veggies and fruits. I'm gonna start with the apples. This machine is heavier than most, and it has a larger food tray too. I'm not sure what it's for, but the feed chute is slightly larger than other models like AMZ Chef or Elite Gourmet. Quite a lot of juice, and yes, the pulp is coming out. We have some celery. Wow. Carrots, quite strong, the squeeze, and pulp is very dry, as you can see. Handle like several sticks of carrots at once. apparently it had some difficulty with the large sticks of celery at first, but other than that, it's been okay. So this is the juice. A little foamy, but how does it taste? And this is not included. It's my class. Well, it's fresh, certainly very fresh, and not very pulpy. I can feel some small pieces of pulp, but I think it's negligible. Yeah. So that's it, the Omega NC900. Thank you for watching my unboxing video, and if you like it, please share and subscribe to our channel.